Hi guys, if you are new in Seoul or you are planning to travel to Seoul and you are worried that how you can travel, how you will travel, how much it would cost and what is the easiest way to travel from one location to another location. So what is the easiest, what is the cheapest way to travel in Seoul, South Korea? So this video is for you. In this video I will let you know how you can travel from one place to another place and what is the cheapest way. The best option, best and cheapest option is subway, Seoul subway and your Seoul metro you can say. So in this video I will let you know how you can travel by using Seoul subway or Seoul metro and what is the best application to use Seoul subway. First of all, you need to install an application which is called Kakao Metro, which I already installed, which is called Kakao Metro. So you can go to Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and you can just search Kakao Metro. This is the application which is the in the top suggestion, the Kakao Metro subway navigation. So this is the application which I already install and I am using this application in my phone. This is the best application as I am living here maybe more than 1 year and first I was using different applications. After experience I found this application, this is the best one. So there are different lines, there are almost 9 lines and some other lines with Bundang line and some other names. So it doesn't matter wherever you want to go, you can just put your destination and your starting station, so it will guide you step by step. So first of all, right now as I am here in Gunjadong and my nearest station is Gunja. So suppose you want to go to Itaewon or Hongdae or Hongik University. These two locations are the famous locations for foreigners. Everyone wants to go there because there are everything you can buy or you can see. Let's suppose like I want to go to Itaewon. So Itaewon is a famous place as I already told you. So suppose we are going to Itaewon. So I just need to write here Itaewon. Itaewon. This is the Itaewon which is on the line 6. You can see I just need to select this. Yes, Itaewon. So what is the location from where I want to go? Right now I am at which station. So I just need to click on 2. Now I can put my station name. So as I already mentioned that I am here in Gunja. So my station name is Gunja. So I just need to you can write here Gunja. This is Gunja. You can see the 6th line. Gunja is line 5 and line 7. This is this is a combined station for line 7 and line 5 as well. So I just need to click Gunja. So now you can see this is this app will automatically show you the possible and possible options, like by which options you can go. So first of all, it will show right now this the time is 10:26 a.m. So this app automatically shows that the next train from Gunja is at 10:29. So you can choose that train and then you will reach at Itaewon at 10:54. The total time is 25 minutes. You can see this is the departure time, this is the arrival time. Only one transfer in this route, you need to take one transfer and you will take transfer from Chingu. So you will ride Gunja line 5 and at the station of Chingu you need to transfer to line 6 because the Itaewon station is at line 6. So you can see there are 7 stops on line 5, then there is a transfer and then 4 stops on line 4 stations, and then you will be at Itaewon. So this shows the whole fare amount as well, like it will cost 1350 won, which is almost I think $1. And this is the cheapest subway. Last month I went to Japan and the Japan subway was too expensive as compared to South Korea. The next thing which I want to mention, that this is, you can see the name which is Bangwa under the Gunja, because at Gunja there are two ways, like one is going to Machen and one is going to Bangwa. So you just need to read this as well, like whenever you will enter into the station and you want to go, so you can see two different signboards, like one subway is going to Bangwa and the another one is going to opposite side, which is Machen. So you need to go to the Bangwa side, okay, and you can confirm when you are near to ride to the subway, you can see what is the next station, like next station should be Jahangpyeong. When you will go to Chingu and now you want to go to Itaewon, you need to again see the name which is under the Chingu station name. This is Yeongam, because again there are two different ways. The first one, which train is going to Yeongam, and the second one which is going to be maybe World Cup Stadium side or something else. So you just need to write this one, or even before writing you can see what is the next station. The next station should be Yaksu. So then you can see in the after 4 stops, after 4 stations, you will reach to Itaewon. And then it also mentioned like doors on the left or right, everything you can see, the doors are left or doors are right. This is the simplest and best application. So we can try another time, like if we want to go to Hongik University, or we want to go, suppose we want to go to Incheon airport, we want to go back and we want to go to Incheon airport. Like you can see, there are all options related to Incheon, the Incheon airport, terminal 1 or terminal 2 or cargo terminal. So suppose I want to go to international airport terminal 2, I want to go back to my country, so I just need to press this one. So from where I want to go from Gunja. So again it will finalize all possible ways in front of you. Like you first you need to write on line 5, and then you will travel 15 stations, and then you need to get a transfer from Gongdeok, and then you will transfer to this line called Khunghung, so you need to write. If you follow this app, you can go anywhere. This is the easiest and simplest application which I found by living here in Seoul, South Korea. If you found this video very helpful, so you just need to like the video, and if you did not subscribe our channel yet, so you can subscribe our channel.